Hello and welcome to Vibes of India. I am Sakshee Singh. Finally, Google has ended the waiting list for using Bard chatbot, and now India can also participate in enhancing their ideas and getting information from the popular AI agent. Bard is rivalry with OpenAI's launch ChatGPT. Bard was only accessible in the US and UK. However, now the company is giving a chance to use it for free. American technological firm Google is further planning to come up with Adobe's group of innovative artificial intelligence models, including Adobe Firefly. This will be combined in the near future. With this, users will be able to convert their creative designs into high-quality images. Google Bard came into the headlines in February this year, while it was not dominant in many countries in its initial phase. Now it is available in India and also across 180 countries of the world absolutely free of cost. New technical and conversational features have been successfully added to this AI entity, which is a large language model developed by Google's team of engineers and scientists. Moreover, people can seek help in generating their documents and tutorials for source code. It can extensively provide information and resources involving massive textual data. As per its design, this device is trained to answer a wide range of questions, while at the same time, Google Bard is efficient in producing summaries of factual topics. It can even create stories as per your own choice and give insights on your useful subject matter. Thank you. Keep watching Bites of India.